Did you know that a single tablespoon of olive oil a day could add years to your life? It's no wonder the Mediterranean diet, rich in this golden elixir, is often called the healthiest diet in the world. But wait. Are you using the right olive oil? And are you using it the right way? Today, on Kitchen Hospital, we're diving deep into what makes olive oil a superfood, why it's called liquid gold, and how you can unlock its full health potential. Stick around, you'll never look at your bottle of olive oil the same way again. What is olive oil? Olive oil comes from the humble olive fruit, grown primarily in the Mediterranean region. But here's the key, not all olive oils are created equal. Types of olive oil. 1. Extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, the purest form, extracted by cold pressing. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and flavor. 2. Virgin olive oil, slightly less pure, with a mild taste, but still good for health. 3. Refined olive oil, processed and often mixed with other oils, less nutritious, so avoid it. 4. Pomace olive oil, made from the leftover pulp, not ideal for health. So, if you're looking for maximum benefits, EVOO is your best friend. But why is it better than other oils like sunflower, canola, or coconut oil? 2 words, healthy fats. Why olive oil is liquid gold? Olive oil is loaded with monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which is scientifically proven to reduce bad cholesterol and boost heart health. It's also a powerhouse of antioxidants, vitamin E, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Let's talk benefits. 1. Heart health. Reduces bad cholesterol, LDL, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL. Lowers blood pressure and prevents arterial damage. 2. Skin care. Acts as a natural moisturizer. Fights free radicals to slow aging. Try applying a few drops as a face serum, it's nature's anti-aging solution. 3. Brain health. Packed with polyphenol, olive oil protects against memory decline and may reduce the risk of Alzheimer's. 4. Fights inflammation. Olive oil's antioxidants work like a natural ibuprofen, easing chronic inflammation linked to arthritis and other diseases. 5. Weight management. Helps you feel full longer, reducing cravings. Perfect for those looking to shed or maintain weight. How to use olive oil daily. Now that you're sold on olive oil, let's talk about how to use it. 1. In salads. Drizzle a tablespoon over your greens. Add lemon juice for a refreshing, healthy dressing. 2. On bread. Swap butter with a mix of olive oil and herbs for a guilt-free spread. 3. For cooking. Use it for low to medium heat cooking. EVOO loses some nutrients at high heat, so avoid deep frying. 4. As a garnish. Finish soups, pasta, or roasted veggies with a drizzle of EVOO for a flavor and nutrient boost. Must-know olive oil tips. Before you rush to stock up, here's what you must know. How to spot pure olive oil. Look for extra virgin on the label. Check for certifications like PDO, Protected Designation of Origin. Avoid oils labeled light or pure, as they're likely processed. Common myths about olive oil. Myth: it's bad for cooking. Oh, fact: it's fine for sautéing and baking, just avoid extreme heat. Myth: darker olive oil is better. Oh, fact: color doesn't determine quality, taste and origin do. Storage tips. Store in a cool, dark place. Use within 6 months of opening for maximum freshness. Olive oil isn't just an ingredient, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you want to boost your heart health, glow from the inside out, or simply enjoy delicious meals, olive oil has got you covered. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey to better health today. Did you find this video helpful? Then smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to know the secrets of olive oil. And comment below, what's your favorite way to use olive oil? Let's share ideas and keep the healthy conversation going.